Greetings everyone, today I will show you how to uninstall a Riot client. So you can uninstall League of Legends, or Valorant and any other of their games. So if you have a problem that you can install it because it's still running in the background, you need to open the task manager, pressing Ctrl Shift Escape, and as you can see, this means you have the app open, as we have here, and this that is running in the background. So first thing that you need is to click on it and close any instance of Riot client. Now this should go away, and this one also. And this means that the client is no longer running. You can also have here a Vanguard. You need to click on it, but just for demonstration purposes I will use NVIDIA Share. Just click on it, right click, and click End Task. This will ensure this way we will make sure that the Riot is no longer running. And now we just need to go to Settings, Apps, and here find the Riot client. Or you can, or League of Legends, doesn't matter. And now just click Uninstall. And that's it, as you can see, Riot Games is uninstalling. And I hope this helped you, and I will see you later. Bye.